I really like the anime Yufukashi no Uta. When I watch it, I'm always mesmerized by the beautiful night skies. I'm really excited to recreate them in watercolor. I feel painting one is not enough, so I picked 3 of my favorite night skies and divide the paper into 3 equal portions. Each portion can be an individual widescreen shot. I have some narrow masking tape and they're perfect for the job. Usually watercolor has that pale, washed out look. It might be the look you're looking for, but they can be made very vibrant if you want. I definitely need them to make them vibrant for this one, so I carefully picked the colors that work well together. For the first one, I want it to look like a cityscape, so I painted the bottom part in the middle as the brightest portion of the painting in yellow. So it's like the lights from the buildings in the city, bright and warm. I also made the sky really saturated with strong greens. It creates nice contrast to the light center, and later when I add stars, they will shine more brightly. The second one will be in blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors to paint with, so I have many shades to choose from. This iridescent electric blue is from Daniel Smith. It's really pretty in person because it creates tiny sparkles by reflecting lights. I'm also adding a super vibrant pink here and there. This will create a nice connection with the third painting. Once watercolor is dry, it always looks paler, so I'm making them as strong as possible now. The first one was in green and yellow. I put this blue one right below it because blue is next to green on the color wheel. It will look very harmonized. The last one will be a pink and purple sky. Because I have 3 nice skies on this single piece of paper, the skies are not only standalone paintings, but also make up a single painting when combined. So when I designed the composition, I kept this in mind so the direction of the sky and how the color flows are in perfect harmony. Here I'm tilting the board to control the direction of the flow of the paint. Now it's the fun part, well, maybe the messy part. To create the stars, I'm splattering opaque white paint onto the painting. I don't know where I got this tiny toothbrush from, maybe free from the dentist. It's perfect for this because it has a flat head and is small enough to give me fine control. This is a part I really don't want to mess up because it's not fixable. And here's the finished look. The sky immediately looks so much more interesting than before. I'm very happy with how the night skies turn out. I could leave them as they are, but I think I can make them better. So what I'm gonna do is to put Nazuna in each one. For the first one, what inspired me was the scene from the anime, where Nazuna stands on the roof of a building looking into the skyline. I really like this angle because it looks like you're viewing from behind her and seeing what she sees. For the next one, I want to paint her flying and enjoying herself in the sky. I'm painting really carefully here because I didn't sketch with a pencil. I don't want to leave a pencil mark. I also don't want to use eraser to mess up the background. So I'm painting directly with watercolor. I'm painting her in the lightest part of the painting to create more contrast. For the last one, I want a pose to show her quirky side, so I'm painting her upside down. Her cape took up quite a large portion of the composition and adds more motion to the scene, making it more dynamic. Also, I put her on the left-hand side to balance with the second painting. Because the first painting, she's kind of in the middle, so overall the combined painting is balanced as well. Compared to the painting without Nazuna, I definitely love it way more with her in there. I think the painting turned out amazing, because I love how I can have 3 of my favorite night skies all in one painting. I especially love how super vibrant they are, just like how it is in the anime. I love them all, but if I have to pick one, I think I would pick the first one because I like how the city lights reflects on her cape. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment below.